Well, it's GG959. 959. Already. And that stands for. And those initials stand for Gay Face Gaming. Alright. And I'm gonna do a reaction to one of the videos that was supposed to be on this channel, but it was not anyway. It was supposed to be on the gaming channel, so I'm sorry about that. But it actually ended up being on MM2232 UI, but it wasn't supposed to be on that channel. It was supposed to be on the gaming channel. I was talking Peter, it's more of a video game. A talking video game. So I am here. About to do a reaction. I gotta eat stuff. Just a minute. Get something here. And regardless, is that my my voice was accidentally in there. I don't know what making me thought it was a great idea, but it was not. So, yeah, I wanted to react. 3, 2, 1. This thing does have ads because someone at MM2232 you like to list it. There are a lot of damn dudes. Especially the Walt Disney ones. That's the old thing, like the Walt Disney videos. Yep, there it is. This is actually embarrassing. That was not a great idea. I'll have my face, I'll talk about my face, I'm okay. Okay. Yeah, yep. Oh, what is that? That's actually damn weird. Put on the wrong time. Oh, it's off. I always gotta pause it because Just a minute. Yep, bird gets corrected. I don't think no pear. God, okay, to correct the Pajero because it's basically the God will have the correct. The God basically has to correct the Pajero because the Pajero keeps forcing the cat to correct it. Because the Pajero is the bird that doesn't even know how to say anything. They both don't know how to do it. They both do not know how to say anything. Because the birds are stupid, they don't know how to say anything. But we're talking Tom French, so I'll pause the video here. We can basically see a difference of talking pair and the talking friends. Because the cat's not correcting him. Because he's basically saying it plain. But the game's not even saying it plain. Because in the game he doesn't know how to say anything. He just goes like if I said birdie always gets corrected, and he would say birdie always, birdie always, birdie always, and he would repeat it, and the cat would have to pop up just to correct him. But he does correct them, but not really. But he does have a thing. But he does pull up his finger, letting the birdie know that he didn't get it right. So the cat's fingers actually mean that the birdie didn't get the word right. It's got it wrong. It means that it got it wrong. Okay, let's just continue to watch this. Oh, there's no way it's gonna get that right. I told you it's gonna get it wrong. And I know talking to her. The bird that doesn't say anything, the bird that can't say nothing. That's a correction for it. Oh my goodness! But still, I should have never done. My voice is cracking. That's a mistake I'll never do again. I should only voice indicate. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Yep, the bird don't know how to say anything. That's not another bird. Okay, I want to stop this. I'm also going to react to the music video, because if you didn't know it before, it does sound like New Super Mario Bros. Wii, but trust me, guys, Nintendo did upgrade the DS version to sound more like Wii. Which doesn't really count because that's still DS. Because that's basically copyrighting DS. Don't react to that. Okay. And after the reactions, I'm gonna go back to gaming.